on mode.
Hi everyone, a very good evening to all of you. Hi, please let me know if you can hear me. Am I audible to all of you? Hi. Good evening, a very good evening. This is Shorudeep here. How was the week for all of you? You had a great week, Ramkrishna ji. Arindam ji says it is very good. So Rona Prajapati sir is also saying that that is a great week. And why not? Because the stocks which are moving, they are moving like anything, and especially cash oriented portfolio stocks, not the FNO stocks obviously, but cash oriented portfolios stocks are moving like anything. So a lot of people are seeing good gains because what I can see, the mid and small cap indices are moving very good, and we have overall in the stock edge been able to point out at the correct set of stocks to actually look at in each and every week. And that's why overall who are associated with us in the stock age are having, I would say, a great time in the present nature of the market, which is more cash oriented. Okay, so as we do every week, let us start with the global scene. Okay, I will add one more thing, that is Worldometer coronavirus update this time. Okay, this is crucial. See, we had a third wave, a second wave during April, May of 2001, and this was the time when we had a second wave. But this was these are mini waves. Okay, this was, you can say, first, second, third. But in our country terms, after this first wave, here came the second wave. But in the global perspective, if you see, uh, apart from these mini waves that were in the initial part of 2020 in terms of COVID scenario, these were the main waves when December 2020 it happened. And now in the April May time, because India being reporting 4 lakh cases every day, this is more than a global wave, India specific wave it was, because global cases were rather on the lower footing, while Indian cases were going up during this. Now what is happening is that after this big global wave, and if you count the wave one, this is called the wave two, this is called the wave three, and because it was more India specific, if you call this one the big wave that is coming after this, so the fourth global wave, if we exclude Indian cases, is coming right now. So all the countries, so weekly trend, let us look at weekly trend here. Unfortunate, because rather than looking at the market first, we have to focus on these things. See, uh, week on week, you can see the 16% cases has gone up, and look at the countries which are on the top. So Latin America has been on the top, but the countries which are seeing the increase in cases, the UK, USA, Spain, uh, Netherlands, so uh, Thailand. Okay, so this if you can see, so the Turkey. Okay, so major economies, UK, USA, Netherlands, okay, Spain, major European countries, and if you look at the France scenario, here it was France 62% up. Okay, so you can see how the cases are going up in Europe and USA. Now they are the main financial activity centers in the world, because most of the GDP is concentrated, most of the global GDP is concentrated between the North America and the Europe. So now in the global scenario, if I look at the Dow Jones at the very beginning, see, you will find that Dow is almost moving nowhere since the beginning of I would say beginning of April. So since the beginning of April, since Joe Biden has taken over, apart from these sharp falls one or two times, overall it is 34,000 to 35,000. It has been trading, and there has been no direction. RSI is near 50. The same global factors that are playing right now. The US bond yield, as I was telling you, it is cooling off because of the COVID related stress. Because when the COVID goes up, economic activities goes down, inflation is likely to go down, and oil prices are likely to go down if Europe and America are facing a lot of I would say COVID cases because of the social restrictions. So right now you can understand one important thing is that USA and UK, these are the countries which are seeing surge in cases. They are almost 70-80% vaccinated for single dose, for two dose, and for single dose these countries are almost 90% vaccinated. But in spite of that, COVID is not going away. So this form of vaccination that is going on across the world, with Moderna in USA having almost 95% efficacy ratio, you can understand that COVID is not a thing that can be managed very easily with the vaccination. Vaccination is important, but vaccination won't stop COVID coming back again and again in countries, because Indian vaccines so far this that we are having COVID Shield, they say 60 to 70% is the efficacy ratio. The Moderna, they say 95%. But in spite of having that Moderna vaccine, what is happening in USA is that Moderna and Pfizer vaccines, which are 90, close to 85, 90%, 95% efficacy ratio. In spite of that, the global cases are going up, and new busier kind of variants are coming, which have to be tackled differently. Okay, so one thing can be easily concluded, which is very unhappy conclusion maybe, but the COVID scenario may remain in the world for quite some time. So interest rates are in general coming down. Interest rates have been coming down, and I will show you how interests have come down over in the countries over the years. You have to understand this. Okay, so see, US interest rate had been falling. 1985 16%, 2000 it was 5%, now 1.3 1.4%. UK interest rate, okay, UK 10-year. Sorry, UK 10-year. No, not this one. UK 10-year. Not getting, sorry, the all I may get. UK 10-year. This is United States. So Japan 10-year government bonds. Let us see how they have been falling. See, from these are bonds. Yield. Japan 10-year yield. See, look at these yields. From they were close to 2%. Now they are close to 0. Okay. German 10-year yield. Okay. See, they were close to 4% in the, or rather 8% in 1989, and they have been falling. They have been consistently falling. So these are the major money printing economies like Eurozone. The UK, I want to show you UK 10-year yield. If I get it. No, not able to see. Okay. Uh, India. So let us look at China. So see how interest rates have been falling in all the countries globally. So you can understand the global bull market that we are right now seeing. And I will go back to the US 10-year bond deal for this. US 10-year. Okay, back to what we were observing. So you can understand over the last 20 years, the global bull market that we have been actually fueled by the lowering interest rates. So if I uh, right now talk about the dollar index, which is precariously poised near the resistance of 92.8, and if it goes above 93.3, 93.4, there can be quite a bit of bearishness in the market, but it looks unlikely that it will go quite a bit higher because the kind of COVID scenario right now we have. I'm very surprised in this scenario that why the gold is not going up, because intuitively I would think that gold should go up in this scenario, but gold is yet to go up. 1825 above this level or 1830 above this, if it stays, high possibility 1900 we may see. But given the overall scenario, I would expect the fundamentally thinking that gold would go up, but gold is not going up. And we can understand that until and unless it stays above 1830, it is difficult for it to go up. Okay, copper you can see as range bound as it can be. No, this is gold again, sorry. Copper you can see as range bound as can be, going nowhere. It cannot fall because there is a lot of money printing going on. It cannot go up because there is a COVID scenario at hand globally. And finally, crude oil, most important chart. As I told you, a higher level of gold, crude oil would require WTI to stay above 80, 81, which is not happening. Right now, we can see a resistance. So there is a possibility that crude oil can fall to 67, 68. There is a possibility. So have in mind, until and unless the 75, 77, 80 zone is crossed, gold will, crude oil will have downside risk. Now in this scenario, if I come back to the Nifty and Bank Nifty, you can see right now I was observing the chart of Bank Nifty. You can see such a low volatility. Okay, the VIX has come. Let me show you India VIX first. So this has been a frustrating factor, and I told you the moment it will go below 13, it will frustrate you as a trader. So this good time we had in terms of trading of higher VIX, which would provide good moves in most stocks, is over. Maybe we can enter a zone like this. Let me mark it at 13. It is marked at 14. So if we enter a zone like this, when that we had towards the 2018 end, so we may see very less volatility, and only mid cap or small cap stocks would move, but on the index level there won't be many special moves. So these are the period you can see 2017-18, but it was very difficult to trade during these periods of time. It was not that difficult because market was straight going up, but if because markets are already elevated level, if market doesn't go up steadily, what will happen? Let me show you what Nifty did during that time, 2017-18. So see, these were the zone of steady up move. Market was going up, so it was easy to trade. But these zones that I have marked that appear into the market, these 2-3 point ranges, 2-3 percentage point ranges that we are in right now. These are very difficult period for market participants to make money apart from mid cap not cash based stocks. Okay, so at times over like for 2-3 months this kind of periods come. I'm not considering this because this was market steadily moving up very fast, 40% over a year. But apart from that, these phases may last for 2 months, 3 months, and in normal F&O scripts, it is very, very, very difficult to make money. Stocks like Infosys, TCS, Reliance, stock like HDFC Bank, HDFC stocks. These are the stocks, Hindustan Unilever, Asian Paints. They don't move at all in these phases, and we are stuck. So I don't know if you are very strictly a person who is more focused on playing F&O. These are not the best of the times that you are having into the market. But if you are in a cash-based player, you have good prospects. Okay, what Nifty did and what other indices did in this week, you can easily see. Okay, this is the Nifty small cap which moved 4%. But apart from that, all the indices are more and less horizontal about this. Nothing is down more than 1.5%. Nothing is up more than I would say 2%. So okay, CNX Infra, CNX Metal, a little bit, but most are 1%, 2% kind of a mover during the week, and only the Nifty Realty Index did wonders. Okay, obviously mid cap IT stocks, the CDSLs of the world, which we discussed, did well, but not Nifty and Bank Nifty. Very, very small range. You can see 5-period ATR. I have put it here. You can see such small range. It is very difficult to play in this market, and it is not consistently. See, uh, abruptly it is going up from any level. It is not coming back to the previous level. So these are not the time when you would be making good money out of Nifty, Bank Nifty, index trading, or option trading, or option selling also, even because of low VIX, there is so little premium left into the market in the options. Option selling also is not beneficial. Option buying is so like dead end in this kind of a scenario. Only cash based stocks are going up and down. So we'll discuss about the stocks that we focused on last week. Okay, and I'm not showing the weekly chart of any indices that I show every week because no index is going up or down. Okay, apart from this, see very, very. If I go to the weekly time frame, you will see very little clarity. All were same: Nifty Auto, Nifty IT. IT had a phenomenal week in terms of mid cap IT, but see, they are at same place. Nifty Metal, nothing is moving basically. Okay, nothing is moving. Only index that moved is Nifty Realty, 8% it had moved. And those who are in the TMP, they know that on Monday, when Nifty Realty had a very big day, I told you that this rally would come back during the week. Okay, so Monday was a day like this. Then there was small correction. So I told on Monday itself that these stocks would rally later in the week, even if they are having a little bit of dull phase for 2 days. I told the Monday itself we may see quite high level, and from that those levels also I can see that 5% up in the case of Nifty Realty. Okay, so a lot of realty stocks look very good, especially DLF. So these are the stocks for me next week. Okay, so DLF, Prestige. DLF is one stock. I think if it sustains above 335, it can give good rally. 335, okay. Prestige is another stock. Looking good, breaking out from previous highs. if stays above 328, 329 can rally. And the final stock is new entrant actually, Lodha. Looking good. Though a new entrant, these were the prices in which it was listed. But India's biggest builder, I would say, Lodha, in terms of like such pricey properties, probably no builder builds in India. Like the highest uh, cost flat, there was a 10,000 square feet flat that was sold at 150 CR by Lodha in uh, Mumbai. So and it has like iconic properties. Like the luxury segment is doing good. The world world towers, which are 100 storied building, 80 storied, those kind of towers they have in Mumbai, Pune, and various locations in those part of the country. So this stock can do wonders. So these are the stocks I would add Ludha into it. Okay. Apart from that, uh, first let us also look at the stocks we discussed last week. Okay. So CAMS was one of the stock that we discussed. CAMS moved quite a bit, like from in this week, if I say this was Monday. So from 2864, it went to 3742. Okay, so almost 30% it rallied. CDSL, we discussed. Vivek sir has been discussing these stocks for quite some time. 1035 to almost 45% rally this week. So I also actually had CDSL in my list on this last weekend. Another stock was Bajaj Finance. Okay, Bajaj Finance did not do much, but I am quite bullish about this stock, the kind of pattern it is having. So possibly once it stays above 6350, it can actually resume that up move. But near support, like this can be a good buying zone also. Okay, though the stock did not work out, but it did not move a lot downside also. Now in the TMP, those students know that these are the stocks that I gave during the week. Okay, so another is Balaji Amines. See, what is happening nowadays, earlier I used to give 10 stocks, and 10 stocks out of the 10, 7 or 8 would perform because market had higher wicks. Now what is happening is this: if I am giving 7 stocks, the success ratio has definitely come down because of the kind of nature market we are having, advanced decline which we are having. But what is surprisingly happening, even in this low VIX market, those stocks that are giving uh, more than 2% are giving 30-40%. So CAMS was one stock, CDSL was one stock, Angel Broking that I gave on Monday. So when this breakout happened, I gave it on Monday, and my target was 1130. It went actually 1272, 25%. Okay, happiest mind. Gave it when this breakout happened, and from 1250 to 1570, almost 30% or 25-28%. CAMS CDSL, you know. Another was TVS Sri Chakra. When I gave on that very day, it went up quite a bit. Okay, so these were the success. We'll talk about the failures also. Today both were failures. Birla Soft. When I gave it, actually came down a little bit. KPR Mills, after, like it went up 1%, but 1% is never our target. KPR Mills also went up 1.5%, but it came down later. Though the stop loss when I gave it was 1880, so the stop loss is, I can say, is also hit or about to be hit. Okay, so I those who asked me, I asked them to exit that trade. Another stock that I gave is Balaji Amines. Did not work, so I gave it here. It came down, and today it had a blow up rally, and then it came back also. Mid cap mania, this is going on all around the market. Okay, for next week, I have shown the DLF, the Lodha, the Prestige. Apart from that, see, all these mid caps and small caps are only right now working. So cannot talk about different stocks. So Eclairs can break out. Cyient, CY already had quite a bit of rally, but above 1100 can rally more. BSC is another stock. And BSC can go up much more, I think, and MCX also. See, why I am taking
Yes, I think there is some audio issue at Mr. Shoradip's end. Let me just quickly check with him.
Okay, so let me just take it over from Shoradip, I guess. Some technological issues. So I hope I'm audible to all of you. Vivek here. Am I audible to all of you? Okay, Arun says yes. Okay, everyone says yes. Fantastic. Thank you. Good evening, everyone. I hope you are doing great. Okay, so Shoradip, thank you so much for your presentation. I guess some technology issue which pops up towards the end of the session. So maybe we'll get the check of your laptop done. But you are great. You are amazing with your analysis, and I can tell you that anyone who is listening to you on Fridays and just focusing on the stocks which you are recommending or you are showing, I don't think so. People need to see anything else. This is actually to the core of precise, and you have been able to identify good stock. So I'm very happy that your effort on identifying stock is well rewarded most of the time. Uh, I can see Shorodip is still continuing with his discussion. I think Swati, you need to connect with him and tell him that his voice is pretty much off. The stocks which he's suggesting, you can see the quick list of the stock, and maybe I can ask Pradeep to share that list in Stockage Club and to TMP members so that all of you can look at the stocks which he has in mind for next week. Okay, so let me just switch on my webcam to wave all my participants, all my friends here. Oh, all right. Hello, everyone. How are you? कैसा चल रहा है आपका? So some of you are asking about my health. So yeah, so I'll tell you what has happened. So I have a stone in my kidney, and that goddamn stone is giving me trouble on and off. कल दर्द हुआ, परसों दर्द नहीं हुआ. So doctor is saying that पानी पियो बहुत सारा और होम्योपैथी खाओ और ठीक हो जाएगा. But I may have to probably get surgery done. Not sure. Still trying to figure out what to do. So that's the condition, and on and off fever and all those things. So not in the best of the best fitness, but चलो ठीक है, जो है सो है, अभी क्या कर सकते हैं. चले वापस मार्केट पे चलते हैं. So I would like to welcome all my club members and TMP fellow members and the Stockage premium members as well to this Friday session. I hope this. Okay, Ranjiv is saying you got to drink a lot of beer. I read that. I think the uh, good. We need to get beer without restrictions. Virender is saying, wow. So this is a pretty unanimous suggestion I'm getting from a lot of my friends that even the doctor suggested कि एक beer चलाओ रोज हो जाएगा ठीक. So yep, I have been trying to do that also. Let's see उससे क्या होता है. चले वापस चलते हैं market की तरफ चलते हैं. Friday session is all about market and let's discuss क्या लग रहा है market. So pretty much the view remains the same. Market एक range में है. Market dollar index को देख रहा है और market के अंदर में कोई भी sign of weakness नहीं है. तो तेजी खेलते जाइए, तेजी खेलते जाइए. मार्केट में तेजी का ही मूड है, तो कहीं पर भी वीकनेस नहीं है मार्केट के अंदर में, और तेजी खेलते जाइए. So you see, even though the dollar is right there, 93 का एक लेवल है, इसके ऊपर में जाएगा तो हो सकता है वीकनेस आ जाए, बट निफ्टी इज डेफिनेटली नॉट इन अ मूड टू करेक्ट. ओके, लेट्स सी 16,000 क्रॉस करता है क्या. बट डॉलर इंडेक्स अगर 93 के ऊपर चला गया तब शायद एक बार एक छोटा सा करेक्शन आ जाएगा. बट stock specific, sector specific, lot of work is there. आप प्लीज निफ्टी देखना बंद कर दीजिए, एंड वी हैव बीन टेलिंग दिस फॉर मेनी डेज नाउ. एंड इनफैक्ट स्टॉकेज क्लब के अंदर में तो आई हैव बीन टॉकिंग अबाउट सो मेनी स्टॉक्स फॉर स्विंग पोजीशंस, एंड आई एम श्योर पीपल हैव टेकन एडवांटेज ऑफ दोज अपॉर्चुनिटीज व्हिच आई हैव बीन टॉकिंग अबाउट. एक मॉडल मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूं, एंड आई हैव बीन टेलिंग अबाउट दिस मॉडल विद लॉट ऑफ यू दैट this kind of a momentum, high momentum market, Eagle strategy is working fantastically. And people who are not yet looking at Eagle, just go to strategies, just go to bullish swing strategies, and there is an Eagle scan here. ये जो सारे scans है, all these stocks, CDSL, CAMS, and all these stocks which have been part of the Eagle for long, okay, you have to make sure that you are following these stocks religiously, because finally there is extremely high momentum in the market with these stocks leading the momentum. Okay, so every Saturday you just revise these list of Eagle stocks and keep track of them. I've already shared with you my RS strategies to my TMP members. I have taught you to my to club members. We have already given you access to my webinar, paid webinar. To normal members, I have taught that strategy in my Learn to Trade. तो ये strategy अगर आप follow करें market में, और stocks momentum वाले identify करें. So it's a great strategy to make money in this kind of a market. You really can't afford to not make money in this kind of a market. अगर आप नहीं बना रहे हैं तो really need to rethink why you are not able to make money. Because market is there, momentum high है, कहीं पर भी कोई weakness नहीं है, तो please start. If you are not following things properly, please start do that and continue your momentum play in the market. At the same time, stick your position in strong stocks. आप देखिए जैसे CAMS है, what a beautiful movement it gave when it broke this previous swing high. और ये RS भी देखो 0 के ऊपर में था, और ये 55 के ऊपर में RSI भी चल रहा है, 0 के ऊपर RS चल रहा है. Why will you square up this trade? These are some of the trades which are lifetime trade, जो एक बार मिलता है तो आपको उसको राइड करना चाहिए. सो मोमेंटम ईगल स्टॉक्स में ऐसे कई स्टॉक्स है जिनमें आपको मोमेंटम मिल जाएगा एंड यू कैन राइड दो स्टॉक्स. ओके, कैम CDSL ऑब्वियसली काफी स्टॉक्स है जो चले हैं. अब एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं, MFSL मैक्स फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज. अब इसको हम कैसे ट्रैक करें? ओके, दिस स्टॉक can give you another round of momentum. Okay, so how do you trade this stock? Simple. It is a strong stock, so first of all we have to consider levels to buy this stock. Okay, what could be the potential level? Either you can identify on a 2-hourly chart basis some demand zone, and the demand zone could be near super trend positive, or it could be near major price support zones जहां पे मार्केट आके यहाँ से रिवर्सल आ सकता है, और some kind of a breakout. I think 2-hourly के अंदर में breakout बहुत अच्छा वर्क करता है. So if I suppose draw this breakout level right here, okay, ये previous swing high का breakout भी है. Okay, तो अगर ये breakout क्रॉस करे, just add an alert. So right click करके इसमें आप एक alert add कर सकते हैं. So add alert on the horizontal line. Okay, that's the beauty of trading view. It allows you to experiment and do lot of things. तो अगर सुपर ट्रेंड पॉजिटिव है, ब्रेकआउट दिया है 2-hourly के अंदर में, और एंड ऑफ द डे भी स्ट्रॉन्ग है, तो आई विल एंटर दिस स्टॉक. एज सिंपल एज दैट. और ये मोमेंटम स्टॉक्स है, तो ये जब भी प्रीवियस स्विंग हाई को तोड़ते हैं, इनमें हमेशा अच्छा खासा मोमेंटम डेवलप होता है. देखिए, लुक एट दिस हैप्पीएस्ट माइंड. इट हैज बीन द ईगल स्टॉक्स फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम. Every time it comes down and it crosses previous swing high, there is a build up of the momentum supported by strength. ये आप देखो previous swing. In fact, इस 2-hourly को भी अगर मैं line chart में convert कर लेता हूँ. Let us convert this into a line chart. Okay, so breakout supported by volume, moving average, RS positive, end of the day RS positive, super trend positive. Why won't you enter this stock? All you need to do is make an alert on this stock, and Shorodip has learned the art of putting alerts. I would suggest all of you to please follow this model. It has been working so well. अगर आप नहीं follow कर रहे हैं तो आप एक opportunity miss कर रहे हैं. So eagle stocks may always try to play breakouts, because typically breakouts works fantastic in eagle stocks. Okay, अगर आपके खुद के stock list हैं which are non-eagle, for example, I mean these are a couple of my stocks which I'm tracking. In fact, lot of the stocks have increased. पहले इतने stocks नहीं थे, but अभी इतने stocks हो गए कि now my list of tracking stocks is going up. I say the securities. You know, I've been talking about this stock for so long. Let me show you in Stockage Club. कितने दिन से मैं बोल रहा हूँ ICICI Securities को देख लो. You know, ICICI Securities को देख लो, बहुत अच्छा stock है. But I mean, I'm sure that the club members, whoever is active in the club, they would have seen my post of ICICI Securities. So let me show you. And I've been talking about it consistently. आज 6 घंटे पहले मैंने बताया था इसके पहले. And not that I'm saying कि मैंने बोला है तो आप ले लो. ये देखो, I mentioned this yesterday. ICICI Securities still strong. Don't miss this stock. I've been speaking for a long time. ये मैंने कल पोस्ट किया था 720 का लेवल पे, और आज क्या भाव है इसका ICICI Securities का? 764. आज में बढ़ गया इतना. और इसके पहले भी मैंने बहुत बार पोस्ट किया. I mean, if you see the whole trace of all the discussion, continue to buy and hold ICICI. Have been talking about it for a long time. This is a weeks ago. Then again, if you go down. So my point is that if you have developed a conviction on any particular stock, even if the stock is showing you a bit of weakness, जैसे ये स्टॉक नीचे गिरा, ऐसा नहीं है कि जब मैंने बोल दिया उसके बाद से स्टॉक बढ़ने लगे. That doesn't work. Okay, even if there is a weakness in the stock, don't worry about that weakness. That weakness is weak for weak people. For strong people with strong heart and strong understanding of the concept, I don't think so. These are weakness we should be worried about. Price नीचे जाता है, जाने दीजिए, no problem. Whenever price reverses back and crosses previous swing high, that is the time you should always make an attempt in these stocks. Okay, और अगर आप fundamentally कोई stock में convince है, जैसे all these financials I was fundamentally convinced. Why won't be I convinced? Look at this. मुझे आप बताइए कि why will I not be convinced with this stock? आप देखिए इतना growing market है, इस तरह के valuation मिल रहे हैं startups को. Why will all these listed companies, broking firms will trade at such subdued valuation? Look at this, PE में जाते हैं. Look at this, मोतीलाल ओसवाल 12 का PE में ट्रेड कर रहा है. हाँ, why will Motilal trade at a 12 PE? In fact, if you see at IIFL Securities, which is unfortunately lot listed as broking in our app, we have actually asked people to change. 16 का PE में trade कर रहा है. I mean, these are not the valuation which growing sectors should command. So that's why I identified them. अब मैंने इनके बारे में भी I posted couple of days ago. When did I post? A simple post I did couple of days ago. देखिए वर्धमान टेक्सटाइल पे मैंने पोस्ट किया था yesterday. Where is Motilal post? Oh, I have been posting lot of, yeah, Motilal post I posted 7 days ago. They are trading at a low P in this market where there is high growth opportunities. Track them from here. So my point is that you should have two watch lists. Okay, one watch list should be the stocks whose theme you understand, and वो stocks अगर नीचे जाएंगे तो आपको चिंता नहीं करना है. जैसे Oracle Finance है, अब ये स्टॉक मैंने बोला था और ये नीचे गया है, इसका क्या मैं चिंता करूं? नहीं करना है मुझे चिंता. क्यों? क्योंकि लुक एट दिस Oracle Finance बैलेंस शीट. ये कंपनी के बारे में अगर अपने देखते हैं, just go to fundamentals. It is trading at a PE of 19, where most of the software companies are trading at a PE of higher side of 25-30. So it is relatively cheaper stock. Okay. The problem with this stock is that there is less growth. तो अगर आप इसका PL देखेंगे annualize, तो कंपनी में growth जो है, sales growth उतनी ज्यादा नहीं है, because it is parent is now Oracle. तो उतना ज्यादा sales growth होने के potential इसमें कम था. लेकिन now because of influx of technology in all the businesses, Oracle Financial Services will get derated. ये तो आप अगर विप्रो में देखोगे ना, let's look at Wipro. Even Wipro, there was no growth in sales. Just go to Wipro. Let's go to financials, PL, and see the sales. 43, 46, 51, 55, 54, 60, 61. So suddenly the sales growth, अभी लास्ट 3 साल से इसमें सेल्स का थोड़ा बहुत अपलिफ्ट आया, लेकिन आने वाले दिनों में ग्रोथ की बात नहीं हो रही थी. बट सडनली विप्रो आल्सो स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग अबाउट ग्रोथ आफ्टर एक्सेंचर गेव अ स्टैगरिंग रिजल्ट. तो द होल सेक्टर इज गेटिंग रीरेटेड. तो विप्रो जो पहले ट्रेड करता था 15 का पी में, 15-16 का पी में, वो 27 का पी में आ गया, बिकॉज द प्राइस एक्चुअली वेंट अप इन लास्ट, इफ यू सी लास्ट 1 year, Wipro price has gone from this level to 70 to now it is almost 550 level. Okay, what is happening with Oracle? So my point is, this stock, underlying theme of this stock is intact, that IT sector will continue to do good, and Oracle being owned by multinational, if you see the shareholding pattern of Oracle, the company is owned by a multinational, right? If multinational is owning the company, there is a high chance, it's 73% is owned by Oracle. So there is a high chance that the company will witness the growth, which technology growth is happening in the global market. So यहाँ पर एक impact आएगा. तो theoretically I am bullish on this stock. Okay, ना ये तो clear हो गया. अब हमको उसको चार्ट में कैसे प्ले करना है. सपोज हमने इस स्टॉक को ले लिया और गिर गया, कोई बात नहीं, हम और लेंगे. गिर गया और कोई बात नहीं, हम और लेंगे. जब तक ये स्टॉक स्ट्रॉन्ग है और RSI भी 50 के ऊपर चल रहा है, तब तक हम इसको बाई करेंगे, ठीक है, बिकॉज यू डोंट नो व्हेन द massive buying will come in one day. Okay, typically you see all these days suddenly एक buyer emerge होता है जिसके कारण बाइंग आती है. So and you see whenever price has gone up, there has been good volume. Price अगर गिरता है तो बहुत ज्यादा वॉल्यूम नहीं है. These are the signs of a strong stock. तो आप इसके अंदर में पोजीशन बिल्डअप करेंगे छोटा छोटा क्वांटिटी में. So the best way to play the market right now is stagger your buying as well as selling. 20-25% आप डिप्लॉय करिए, नीचे जाता है और लीजिए, because you never know when will the stock will go for a massive upturn after this 20-25%, 30% move. So it's better to keep staggering your buying and staggering your selling in any particular stock. So my conclusion is identify stocks whose fundamentally you are convinced that yes, this business is something which I want to own. Okay, and even if the price goes up, you are not in a worry to sell the stock. Okay, and the other thing is use stock scans like Eagle, etc. Make a watch list and track these stocks which are hyperactive, whose strategy should be that every time they give a breakout, you participate in that stock for a shorter moves. Okay, this is my model, and I hope some of you would be following this model and taking advantage of this model. Let me take few questions today. Let me take some questions here. Okay, so Sachin Kataria has a point: feedback, made money X times on annual membership, not club. Visited stockage and high delivery led to Motilal Oswal. My novice chart trading showed weekly breakout, took position 820 on 2nd July, and you know the price today. That's, I mean, delivery is awesome. अगर आप में से जो लोग stockage का delivery को follow कर रहे हैं, you must have minted money in market. And I've been telling this consistently that delivery scan, it takes effort. रोज delivery scan को देखना, उसमें से right stock को identify करना और उसको अपने ट्रैकर में डालना और उसके हिसाब से पोजीशन लेना एक एफर्ट की बात है. और आप एफर्ट करोगे तो पैसे बनेंगे. शेयर बाजार में ये अब डिफाइन हो गया है. जो एफर्ट नहीं करेगा उसके लिए पैसा बनाना मुश्किल तो है ही, हमेशा ही मुश्किल रहेगा. सो थैंक यू सचिन फॉर यूजिंग स्टॉकेज एग्जैक्टली द वे आई वांट यू टू यूज इट. भारती एयरटेल, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग? मीना जी पूछ रही है भारती एयरटेल व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. व्हाट इज हैपनिंग? आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, एंड यू शुड नॉट वरी व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. आर यू होल्डिंग भारती एयरटेल? इफ यू आर होल्डिंग भारती एयरटेल, चलिए एक बार देख लेते हैं ये स्टॉक के अंदर में हम अभी क्या करें. ये वीक स्टॉक है तो या तो हम कॉन्ट्रेडियन प्ले करते हैं. कॉन्ट्रेडियन प्ले करने का देखिए अपना एक रिस्क है, अपना एक रिवॉर्ड है. अगर आप कॉन्ट्रेडियन सही चले गए तो पैसे बहुत बनेंगे. आप अगर आप इसका स्ट्रक्चर देखें तो ये एक तरह का हेड एंड शोल्डर फॉर्मेशन करके ये इधर जा रहा है. चांसेस है इसका वापस नीचे जाने का. स्टॉक वीक है, तो अगर आपके पास में है और आप फंडामेंटल बेट भी लगा रखे हैं तो I will probably not be long in this stock until as the stock shows me strength, which it is not showing. कब स्ट्रेंथ दिखेगा? प्रीवियस स्विंग हाई. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट किसी भी स्टॉक पे अगर आप ब्रेकआउट खेल रहे हैं तो प्रीवियस स्विंग हाई के अगर ऊपर जाता है और स्ट्रेंथ बरकरार रहता है, then it makes sense to enter that stock. Otherwise, do not enter that stock. So I don't know what is happening in Bharti. It may probably is witnessing consolidation and buying at a lower level, but I will not participate because I'm not seeing strength in that stock as of now. Okay, I'm not going to give stock specific views. पुरुषोत्तम जी पूछ रहे हैं व्हाट इज द मिस्ट्री बिहाइंड आईटीसी. आईटीसी का बात कर लेते हैं बिकॉज आईटीसी स्टॉक नहीं है, आईटीसी कुछ और ही है, तो इसके बारे में बात कर लेते हैं. इसमें क्या चल रहा है? इसमें छटाई चल रही है. जो कमजोर लोग हैं उनको निकाला जा रहा है. एक बार कमजोर लोग निकल जाएंगे सिस्टम से, उसके बाद ये स्टॉक वापस चलेगा. जब तक कमजोर लोग रहेंगे ये स्टॉक नहीं चलेगा. सो इट इज ट्राइंग टू फ्रस्ट्रेट पीपल एज मच एज पॉसिबल so that the weak hearts who don't have nerves and patience to hold on to it gets out of this stock after it goes up to 210 to 15, and then it will start its new rally of going to 280 to 90. But abhi ye pareshan karega. Sudhir bhai is saying that I follow Stockage extensively, really good app. I've been holding Happiest Mind, Tata Elxsi since long time with excellent return. Also have UTI Asset, Info Edge, KPIT, really good advice on fundamental and technical clubs. Thank you, Sudhir bhai. Stockage Club is one big family, and if you use this family properly, trust me, you will never be disappointed. एक आप लोग से छोटी सी बात शेयर करता हूं, it's more personal. I come from a joint family. We are 4 brothers, and in our house we are 18 members who stay together, and we have one common kitchen. By God's grace, wood touch. I understand the value of togetherness, and Stockage Club is all about building that big one family where all of us can stay together, grow together, and get out of that noisy environment of noisy environment which vested interest people have been creating around us. If we can create a India's largest community of like-minded stock market wealth earners, I think we'll be sorted with our objective of empowering retail investor. So just keep trusting us, keep following us, and also keep sharing us, because we need more and more quality club members to join us in our endeavor to empower retail investors. Do you have any plan for listing Credent Info Edge? Sandeep bhai is asking. Sandeep bhai, listing, अब मेरे को लग रहा है कि मैं भी लिस्टिंग करा दूं, बिकॉज मैं भी लॉस मेकिंग हूं, और लॉस मेकिंग कंपनीज भी लिस्ट हो रहे हैं. So I think even I should think of listing my loss making enterprise. No, jokes apart. Now we have Kotak on board. We will work together with Kotak for a couple of months, and then probably in few years we may also aspire to list our company and make all of you part of that listing arrangement. Okay, Nikunj bhai is saying thanks to Eagle. One is Eagle Scan, and second, Sorodeep sir. Absolutely, there are 2 Eagles in our company. One is Eagle Scan and other is Sorodeep, who is also Eagle. Because of these 2 Eagle holdings, the happiest mind from 850. As per my investment style, I invested 30K in one stock and still holding happiest mind. Thanks again to Eagle, also holding CDSL. My average price is 1030. Okay, that's good. But I must say that you should thank yourself, because finally you have taken that call is the biggest thing. हम लोग तो थोड़ा बहुत बोल देंगे, आपको एडवाइस दे देंगे, but finally it's you who will drive this. DN is saying that, so Deepak Spinner almost 20% up after Dolly Khanna bought, shared news, and then high scan on stockage, enjoying all the high delivery, increase RS, and giving me great results. Thank you so much. Wow, today is my day. I'm getting so humbled and overwhelmed by the positivity which I'm getting, because I can see most of you are working exactly what I want you to do and making money from market. So I'm very, very happy. Okay, Varinder bhai is asking about HFCL. ये तो सबसे प्यारा स्टॉक है, ऑल्दो मैं इसमें कभी काम नहीं कर पाता हूं, बट बड़ा प्यारा स्टॉक है. देखिए, अगर आप RS फॉलो करते तो इसमें कितना पैसा बना लेते आप. हाँ, और अभी भी ये स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टॉक है. फंडामेंटली इसमें बहुत कुछ चल रहा है. आई डोंट नो, लोग बोलते हैं कि ये बहुत बड़ा हो सकता है, बट इसका पुराना बैगेज के कारण मैं इसमें कभी भी पार्टिसिपेट नहीं कर पाया, अनफॉर्चुनेटली, बिकॉज आई एम ऑलवेज वरीड अबाउट दीज स्टॉक्स व्हिच हैव सर्टेन पास्ट बैगेजेस. बट जिन्होंने किया है उन्होंने बहुत पैसे बनाए, तो इट्स एक्चुअली वेरी वेरी गुड. Okay, Jitender ji ne kaha he has joined Stockage Club this week. Welcome, Jitender ji. Welcome you to the family. I hope you have a great, rewarding 12 months with us. And if you feel that you want to be with us forever, then happy to be you as a lifetime member of our family. Okay, one stock you also recommended time and again and did very well is Soba. Yes, Sunil bhai, you remember that. I'm so happy today that लोगों को मेरा बोला हुआ याद आ रहा है. रेसिडेंशियल रियल एस्टेट, अभी सब न्यूज एजेंसी वाले बोल रहे हैं रेसिडेंशियल रियल एस्टेट. मैं कितने दिन से चिल्ला रहा हूँ, कब से मैं चिल्ला रहा हूँ, लास्ट ईयर से, बॉस रेसिडेंशियल रियल एस्टेट में पैसा डालो. सोबा, ओबरॉय, सैटेलाइट, कितने सारे स्टॉक्स रेसिडेंशियल में जो फोकस है, where we should focus there, and real estate is just started. लास्ट 8 ईयर का साइकिल ब्रेक हो रहा है, तो रेसिडेंशियल रियल एस्टेट में पैसा डालो और पैसा बनाओ. Okay, Sabu is asking a question. There's always a question when to book profit in some stocks after it has had a good run. Any suggestion? Okay, I'll give you a suggestion. So don't be in a hurry to book profit. Different people will have different styles of booking profit. Like a person like me, I am not in a hurry to book profit. I always trail my profit. And whenever the trend, which is a 2 hourly chart for me, whenever trend suggests the reversal, I exit my trade. Okay. But for a starter, I will never recommend that strategy. For a starter or someone who has come into the market last 1 to 2 years, my suggestion will be that whenever you execute a trade, you know the stop loss, right? And your take profit should be at least 2 times of that stop loss. Square up your 50% profit when your first take profit is reached, because that 50% will give enormous confidence to you in your ability, and trail the rest 50% based on super trend 2 hourly chart. Okay, that's the most idealistic thing for a starter, because if you don't book profit, it's not about money you make, it's about the confidence you give to your ability, right? It's the pat on the back that, hey, hello, I did right, I'm so proud of you, Sabu. Every day in the evening, if you look at the mirror and if you say to yourself that I am proud of you, Sabu, you have done so well today, for doing that, you need to book some profit. So 50% profit booking when the take profit comes is advisable, and trail the rest 50% to fancy your chances to make much bigger money out of that rest 50%. Uh, when is the when to take position in stockage EOD based data? Well, the stockage EOD based data, you can only take position next day, and ideally when the ब्रेकआउट हैपेंस. तो एंड ऑफ द डे से रोहित भाई आप स्टॉक्स के लिस्ट निकाल दो स्कैन करके, फिर उसके बाद उसको ट्रैकर में डाल दो, और फिर जब भी वो स्टॉक में कोई प्राइस ब्रेकआउट होए, then go and participate in that stock. Obviously for that you need a real time tool. That's why I tell people stockage और trading view, इन दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन यूज करो, पैसे बनेंगे. अगर आप कोई और प्लेटफॉर्म यूज करते हैं जिसमें रियल टाइम चार्ट आता है, रियल टाइम अलर्ट्स आता है, आप वहां भी डाल सकते हैं, ऐसी बात नहीं है. बट मुझे ट्रेडिंग व्यू बहुत प्यारा है, इसलिए मैं ट्रेडिंग व्यू रिकमेंड करता हूं. अभिषेक भाई बोल रहे हैं मी ऑल्सो ज्वाइन 1 year मेंबरशिप. अभिषेक भाई वेलकम टू द क्लब फैमिली. Joydeep bhai is also joined Stockage Club. Most welcome, sir. Stockage Club is so dear to me. As I said, it's like my extended family, my joint family, and you all have become part of my family. So I love to have you. एक छोटी सी बात है जो आप लोग में से कई लोगों को नहीं पता होगा कि by virtue of a club member, you have access to me. तो आपको कभी भी मुझसे बात करनी हो, please don't hesitate. Tell my team members, you have the number of the support team. We will organize a 10 minutes call and I can talk to you personally. I can find out what you want. I can help you in whatever way I can. That's the beauty of being part of the club, because we become one family and I become obligated to you to make sure that you get exactly what you want. Okay. Please use that. If you need to talk to me, if you feel I deserve to talk to you, please use that facility. Otherwise, I am anyways there on that platform. And also, I am going to give you guys a great news in few days, a news which you will really cherish. Should I disclose that? Should I? It's a surprise. Should I disclose that? Should I disclose that? Oh, Sudhir bhai is saying that you tried to connect but no luck. ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए. I'm so sorry, Sudhir bhai. Sudhir bhai, I will make sure that ये गलती ना हो. Swati and other team members, please see this. कि कोई भी क्लब मेंबर अपने को कनेक्ट करना चाहे तो we have to make sure that the setup is perfect for them to connect. Okay, तो डिस्क्लोजर ये है कि very soon, in just few days, not weeks, just few days, we will give you the latest version of Stockage Club with a mobile app very soon, so that you guys can be with us on a real-time basis with app. Okay, this is going to be a separate app and you will just love the app. We have been working on this app for almost 9 months and now the baby is ready to come out. So that's a great news I wanted to share with you guys first. Although my partner will not be happy with this decision, because he said he wanted to give surprise, but अभी मुझे excitement हो गया आप सबको देख के, तो मैंने बोल दिया. So we are already doing the beta testing. We are almost there. और एक बार मोबाइल में आ गया स्टॉकेज क्लब, तब तो लाइव झिंगा लाला है। हम लोग इतने क्लोजली कनेक्टेड हो जाएंगे कि एट एनी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आई विल बी अवेलेबल एंड यू विल बी अवेलेबल फॉर मी फॉर डिस्कशंस। ओके, सो आईफोन, ये बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है अरुण जी, ये एप्पल का कुछ करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज ये एप्पल वाले बहुत तंग करने लगे हैं। कोई भी एप्लीकेशन को एप्पल में प्ले स्टोर में हम लोग अप्लाई करते हैं ना, दिनों तक ये लोग उस पर बैठ जाते हैं और उसको कंक्लूड नहीं करते हैं। तो पहले हम एंड्रॉयड निकाल देंगे, वेब वर्जन अपग्रेड कर देंगे, और एप्पल पे भी काम चालू है, साथ में करने की कोशिश करेंगे। बट अरुण भाई थोड़ा टाइम लग सकता है, प्लीज माफ कर देना, बिकॉज एप्पल का आप जानते हो ना कैसा चलता है उनका। ओके, सो ओके, थैंक यू। 7 बज गए, तो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस लवली रिसेप्शन, लवली family, and thank you for the time you have given. I hope Fridays are useful sessions. आप लोग यूज कीजिए, शोरदीप के नॉलेज को यूज कीजिए, हम लोग के प्लेटफॉर्म को यूज कीजिए। वी आर नाउ 15 टीम मेंबर्स इन स्टॉकेज क्लब, 15 एनालिस्ट, एंड विल बी एडिंग मोर एनालिस्ट, ताकि आपके सारे फंडामेंटल और टेक्निकल जवाब हम लोग प्रॉपरली दे पाए, और आप हमारे साथ लाइफ लॉन्ग जुड़े रहें, ताकि आपको एक वैल्यू स्टॉक मार्केट से कंटिन्यूसली मिलता रहे। Thank you so much for your time and attention, and thank you Swati and Shoradeep for your kind attention. As always, you guys have been a great support for us. And club members, thank you so much. TMP friends, thank you so much. And जिन्होंने स्टॉकेज सब्सक्राइब किया हुआ है, आप सोचिए अगर क्लब में आ सकते हैं तो आइए, और साथ में एक वेल्थ क्रिएटिंग जर्नी को हम लोग साथ में बनाते हैं। Thank you, good night, and I'll see you again next Friday. Bye bye, take care.